Lesson 1. Simple additions and subtractions. You may already know that when you add 0 to a number, the number stays the same. See, here's 4 plus 0. And this just equals 4. Why don't you do 1? What's 8 plus 0? Good. The same thing happens when we subtract 0. Watch. Here's 5 minus 0, and the answer is just 5. The number stays the same. You do 1. What's 6 minus 0? No, 6 minus 0 is still 6. Now let's do something different. Let's add 1 to a number. What's 6 plus 1? Perfect. It's always just the next number when you're adding 1. When you add 1 to 6, the answer is 7. Here's another problem. What's 8 plus 1? Bingo. And here's something else kind of neat. 8 plus 1 equals 9, but 1 plus 8 also equals 9. And that's because when you add two numbers, you can switch them and the answer won't change. See, here's 6 plus 1 equals 7. We already did this one. But what's 1 plus 6? You got it. Switching 6 and 1 doesn't change the answer. It's still 7. Numbers that you add are actually called add-ins. And the answer is called the sum. So you can always switch the order of add-ins and it won't change the sum. That's how you say this rule. Here's another problem. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Why don't you click on the add-ins? No, 2 and 1 are the add-ins. The add-ins are just the numbers that you're adding. Now click on the sum. Awesome. Now let's do some problems where we subtract 1. What's 3 minus 1? That's right. When you subtract 1, the answer is the number before. It changes 3 to 2. Here's another one. What's 7 minus 1? That's it. One thing you've got to be careful about is that you can't switch the numbers when subtracting. 7 minus 1 is not the same as 1 minus 7. So you really need to watch out for that. Now let's do another kind of subtraction problem. What's 5 minus 5? That's right. Here's another one. What's 9 minus 9? Perfect. Anytime you subtract a number from itself, the answer is always 0. That's the rule. Actually, the answer to a subtraction problem is called the difference. So when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is always 0. That's another way to say it. What's the difference in the problem 8 minus 8? Exactly right. When you subtract a number from itself, that always equals 0. So the difference here is 0.
On this one, add 9 plus 0.
Bingo!
For this problem, tell which numbers are the add-ins in 8 plus 1 equals 9.
Time out for a hint.
The add-ins are just the numbers being added.
Bingo!
Here you need to tell which number is the sum in 1 plus 7 equals 8.
Time out for a hint.
The sum is just the answer to an addition problem.
You got it. For this one, tell which number is the difference in 6 minus 6 equals 0.
Time out for a hint.
The difference is just the answer to a subtraction problem.
Perfect.
For the problem 1 plus 2 equals 3, write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers.
Time out for a hint.
Just remember, in an addition problem, it doesn't matter which number comes first.
Nice try, but that's not it. Click yes to see how to do it.
True or false? The answer to an addition problem is called the sum.
You got it.
True or false? We can change 3 plus 5 to 5 plus 3 and still get the same answer.
You got it.
Here you need to add 0 plus 0.
Perfect.
For this problem, subtract 9 minus 1.
Excellent.
On this one, add 1 plus 1.
You got it.
Here you need to subtract 4 minus 1.
Bingo.
For this next problem, add 7 plus 0.
Perfect.
For this one, add 1 plus 5.
You did it.
On this next one, subtract 2 minus 1.
Bingo.
Here you need to tell which numbers are the add-ins in 4 plus 0 equals 4.
Time out for a hint.
The add-ins are just the numbers being added together.
Perfect.
For this one, tell which numbers are the add-ins in the problem 6 plus 1 equals 7.
Good job.
For this next one, tell which numbers are the add-ins in 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Awesome.
For this problem, tell which numbers are the add-ins in 0 plus 2 equals 2.
You did it.
Tell which number is the sum in the problem 1 plus 6 equals 7.
Time out.
Good job.
Here, just tell which number is the sum in the problem 0 plus 3 equals 3.
You did it.
For this one, tell which number is the difference in the problem 8 minus 8 equals 0.
Time out.
Bingo.
Here you need to find which number is the difference in the problem 5 minus 0 equals.
Perfect.
For the problem 0 plus 8 equals 8, write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers.
Time out for a hint.
You did.
For this one, you need to write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers as 1 plus 4 equals 5.
Bingo.
On this one, write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers as 9 plus 1 equals 10.
Good job.
Here you need to write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers as 1 plus 0 equals 1.
Awesome.
For this next problem, write a new addition problem that uses the same numbers as 6 plus 0 equals 6.
Nice try, but that's not it.
For this next problem, write a new
You did it.